there woman hit makers in the building, y'all.
Yep, mic check 1 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Sister Sunday be a guy.
Hi, baby.
Charlie Joe Bullseye.
Now you gotta, when doing the bullseye, you really gotta take a time and make it sound a bit slang and all that.
Okay.
So say bullseye. Now talking about the dude Flo Kingston.
Yeah.
He really pulled a big surprise out there.
Yeah.
But I was just on my table sipping my drink.
Yeah.
And I saw Flo King coming from behind.
Yeah.
And your wife.
He was hiding in one corner.
You know, your wife has this huge back eye and was blocking my view. So I just stretched my neck a little. Like, Jerry wants to swear Antonio Marocro. I'm like, no, let me change from tree to my English again. I saw Flo coming and I saw the excitement on your wife's face.
Yeah.
And I'm like, damn, you did it, man. Hey, congrats.
Oh,
it was nice doing business for you.
Yeah.
But Bibiani Jerry.
So I dream you.
Oh, bye, you know. I'm on for PD. When I'm sad, yeah, and I'm a baby. I'm so
comfortable. I'm so Debbie.
And can be Pimbi and can be Pammy and can be how. But only they say in the middle of one married.
Hallelujah. Yeah.
But me who saw him Jum Queen, I make a quick announcement.
Okay.
And Mamma Moody Suja, I won't say in case of us, and your warrior, now unim Jum Ko selection and your forms near to have who Jerry. Jerry and Co marriage associate on forms. But Filu age. My specs. Yeah, I'm on specs. Maybe I'm the Bill's kind of best chance. I'm swinging on one. Nobody then one. Namo catch him. It's Jerry. A good day, the wash will be a good few. But let's leave that for next time, all right?
All right, we'll do that. Okay, so I'm saying, so we'll do that.
I really like that. So I'm practicing for my trip. I'm practicing.
All right.
So whatever it is, happy birthday to Daddy Ago. Inside the US of A. Papa, yes, Jerry Ofie Kwanso. Yes, one standing down. A friend of Daddy Ago. Or New Jersey, US of A. Yes, they be our da Hasi Awuti. You know, happy birthday, Daddy Ago.
Okay.
We love you so much and thanks for being a loyal listener.
Okay, and now happy birthday so and Jahil.
Sidi no moto
moto sign. Ohene entry boating. And then I wadi 1 year.
Oh wow.
Nana Quantabisa say happy birthday kama pa.
Jerry say Fila no. We be am only 30 minutes mama because anything ko ba ne say medical consent so person
say I say time na e bi
because in favor a consent association of Ghana.
And dem tell say pa. We be say no doubt about that.
You feel me?
Yeah, I feel you, baby.
Na enra me ko fie na me drew la pass me say oh shru ni me fie and when I say Florence obi nim na wen first ma me utimi bonyo ma yetie sacha ya adwen at once they say wo to ne ade ada ne husband yeti base it's a cake, it's a jazz chine and I won't hear more gospel it's you know me in what came in mind was Florence when I feel home na fa ma bo gospel e bia na okọ trip ba bibia ni a trying to start or say home asana on be ma obi na omonyom fa my I just heard a song and it just came in mind on brana or my one of those hot tracks now.
All right.
Now Bride Jerry no nim so be the pepper spray a good patapeni.
Asase na yamba.
Oh, na Fila Queen me ma Fila na no hu say me mo. Yeah, me pepper spray good. Me no cause na me no interview ho. But because of that into went to me it means na so aka say na artist no omo ye nipa o. Omo ye nipa tema first day ba because I irrigated party ba because we the museum kan bi no nkra pepper spray. And famra ho megu ye ni wa irrigated party na se wo. Yenye ne sa artist no omo ye nipa. Ya na papa bills. Irrigated party obu ejina na so too. I irrigated work on the 30th of November. Na I irrigated party 28 December.
Sure.
And you know my birthday is December.
Sure.
Menye party 28 ahwa na my party me me frefra man for na my party by force. 18 artists no they are human beings. 18 aside enyum na oto na un feeling na as a fan. Before all be patapan e be friend Samuel Simpson. Ansa na obebonyum no yo bi de hie enti a mo fa sabe ta frache nyansa ne odo and to honeko ye unye bi anka wo free area for some member ne fans enti won pede oye na wo de obabo bon se gina ho but no violence and now no be ato bottle abofele nu na and now no be me pepper spray go patape no I don't know the next thing but enye fine wonim say artist be jan stage ko bi quite me yi ne mpabo atobo no st and then won kwana ne shoe kankan no asa ato abo artist ne kwa enye ni ti na be pa shoe ni mu sense be ma ne kata no eho and I Jerry Madrid home. It's they should act all nice and calm. Because ni penia any nipa. Baje untimi me And yes, I join the Mr. Association now unya ba me bekasa. We will be you gotta give your sister some time and play the song and all that. I'm not really feeling it and all that,
it's my baby, you know.
Yeah, you really gotta do this for baby.
It's my baby.
Yeah. And see twaswa sinicheni bi. And I can say and the metwa so obeje di sister no red carpet or nam so aboshenta dia kese ni na ye bosia otimi kwaje atade we 12,000 Ghana cedi ama ba house man nipa ne be train ne dan ne ka ekoye na no see so the picture be to Instagram say ni kunu atofie bi ama no me hwehwe mu chem se nipa ne ko enye ni kunu ne boy a on ne to ne fie no so kwa won to emfa man. You know, you do all these things. Na enkwala na edimochi no na ayedi. Now I don't do it me bo udini ad because me be shame. But what the story na ayema bin na otwan hyehyehye because onim se me ne wa, wonim se me ne wa na ekase. Onye steady. Because sister no kwota atade won ho no, she's ready to talk. Me and am calming it down so wa public figure na me oba. Me uncle ba de. Me pese ye begu nanima say on that level. But sister Felicia Mr. Eko kantamanto ya ma me atwa jense na oyi ne 10 nsuo na ebe ntino aso odi bi atoto so but nsuo man na area ultimi ni dia no ayi ne 5 monko honom oh mede bia me kase de ho so no waye nipa na please na bi kwa no hu na wawu kwa ya try what a shock ebe ya se abenom drink bi na ma sorry aide akọ nti sister no on na no free ntade eko red carpet into obe steady on yesterday because we ain't gonna play that, Jerry. So like I said, my Fila time in favor me.
Sure.
So I gotta get my ass off the chair.
I know.
And you and Papa Bills, we got a World War II. You feel me?
Hey, you.
I want a hit maker.
All right.
Yeah, Jerry, give it to me.
All right.
Jerry, give it to me.
Take your balls.
I'm making sure most more her make sister Sunday be a guy. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I'm just there. You feel me?
All right. Show you, baby.
I'm out of here.
Yes. I'm sure fast like I say Emma Brooklyn hair relaxer. Come up. Oba edu ba bia woni time wo pentem. Enya fe na ko style uti ko ye Debbie